Alright, so we got these modded Squiddy Bee. Franken Forge modded this. And it cost about 30 bucks. So let's unbox this real quick. Let me get this like that. Let me check. Okay, cool. Very nice unboxing. There's the Squiddy boy. Alright. It is speed channeled. Nice. Ow. Ooh, it feels good. This is real nice. This flips a lot better than it did. Dang. It is a lot more neutral. Before, it had a pretty bad handle bias, but now it's, well, not that bad of a handle bias, but it's just not the best flipper. But now this thing is pretty good. Dang. Just gotta get used to flipping this. As you can see, he put frowny faces. The speed channel is pretty good. This by hand indicator. You can definitely feel that. Wow. The weight taken out doesn't feel like much. It's not bad. This is really nice. Honestly, Squid Industries, maybe you should have your balisongs come speed channeled. This is really nice. Whoa, I mean, this flips really good. This flips a lot better than it did before. So, if you're interested, I will have his Instagram in the description, and you can get this done to your Squiddy Bee, because this is really nice. I got this done for about 30 bucks, and yeah, it's great. I noticed that it feels like he sanded the entire thing too. Oh no, it looks like it rusted a little. It's probably because it was from Florida. That's fine. But, ooh, hit that double choker. Let's do a 0G. This is really nice. So yeah, the balance is a lot more neutral, and it's a lot more, just more fun to flip now. It's great. Here. So this indicator is kind of like the Nautilus. I asked him to make it like the Nautilus. Let me grab my Nautilus real quick. And yeah. So, compare these. So I don't think he was able to get the edges perfect. That's fine, because, you know, it's different. So that's cool. Difference is good. Being different is cool. Well, I'm gonna be enjoying this. Yeah. This thing is great, and it flips a lot better. Maybe our tolerance is better. Tap is slightly better. Plays about the same. Huh. But this is really nice. Speed channel makes it a lot better for flipping. And bite hand, I guess bite indicator. This makes it, this is really noticeable. Like, you're not gonna miss this. That hurts. Well, this is great. This is amazing. I like this a lot. And yeah, so that was the, this is a modded Squiddy Bee, so from Franken Forge. This is really cool. I would recommend getting your Squiddy Bee speed channel. Yeah, well, that's it.